Have you ever heard of the term staking but didn't really know what it meant or how to properly go about it? Well, in this video, we'll be explaining in detail what staking is, how it works, and how to make the most of staking your crypto. Just make sure you stay till the end. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto and welcome to ABCrypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. Also, leave a comment if you want us to shout out your crypto community, NFT whitelist, or crypto project. You can also follow us on TikTok at _ABCrypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. Without further ado, let's begin. So, what is staking in the first place? Some of us in the crypto space have heard about it, but never really knew what it meant or how to properly go about it. Well, good for you, we got you covered in this video. Staking by definition is the process of actively participating in transaction validation, which is similar to mining, on a proof of stake blockchain. More simply put, staking is a way of earning rewards for holding certain cryptocurrencies. In terms of profitability, it is very profitable. There are plenty of proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies that enable you to stake and earn interest without needing to engage in the process of validating blocks. And what do we mean by proof of stake? Well, this is a cryptocurrency mechanism that requires you to stake coins or set them aside to be randomly selected by a validator. Staking provides a reliable source of passive income that ranges on average from 5% to 12% in return for simply locking up your funds. Think of it like stock dividends. When you buy a stock, over time you get paid dividends for simply holding the stock. This takes us to our next question. How does crypto staking work? As we had mentioned earlier, crypto staking involves locking up some of your digital tokens to help process safe and efficient transactions on a proof of stake blockchain. In doing so, you will earn an interest rate on the tokens you decided to stake. This means that instead of keeping idle cryptocurrency investments in a traditional wallet, you can make money with cryptocurrency by earning regular passive income on your tokens in addition to capital gains. Before going any further, let's take a look at a basic example of how crypto staking works. Let's say that you wish to stake ADA on the Cardano network. Well, this yields an annual percentage of 10%. You decide to stake $5,000 worth of ADA tokens for a year. This $5,000 staking allocation would yield $500 in rewards. So, if you did it for only 3 months, then this is $125 in passive income. It's also important to note that your $125 reward would be paid to you in ADA. Something crucially important to note is that during that time frame that you lock away your crypto, you will still benefit from a potential increase in the coin's value. For instance, if ADA was worth $1 at the time you began staking and $1.50 when the lockup period concludes, you would still see the value of your tokens increase by 50%. And that is the beauty of staking, as you can earn rewards on 2 different fronts. Now, what are some of the best crypto staking platforms that you can stake your coins in 2022? Coinbase tops the list as popular exchanges that also offers crypto staking services if you're a beginner that is also looking to buy and sell digital assets in a secure environment. We also have ABCrypto, which built its staking platform with newbies in mind, as the website itself is easy on the eye and free of unnecessary and overwhelming info. Others include Crypto.com, eToro, and Binance, which are great platforms for high staking rewards. Now let's quickly go over how you can earn rewards on Coinbase, since it's the most popular. You need to be eligible for staking by meeting the minimum balance needed for the asset. You'll need to purchase the asset and then opt in to begin earning rewards. You can also go ahead and further your research not only on Coinbase alone, but also on other platforms that we mentioned earlier in this video. This brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, do so in the comment section down below. Also, remember to leave a comment if you want us to shout out your crypto community, NFT whitelist, or crypto project. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video.